from the screens
delay.
that we've designed, we've actually gone.
I would not say
far, but we've designed basically most of the screens already.
I guess because nobody was there, that's why. So let me share my screen.
That in our last class, I was able to design
let me open up
some desktop screens and now ask those that were here then to design mobile screens for us.
And
but apparently none of them are around today, so
we've designed 4 screens.
I guess I might just have to continue.
Just the wireframe.
Continue
Design the wireframe for 4 screens. And when I mean 4 screens, not like they're all totally unique screens. We did like 2 web screen versions and 2 mobile.
I sent the link
to
this our Figma project file.
Okay, sorry, I think there are more than 3
you can also
3 web versions and 3 mobile versions.
You can also go on.
Please, can you guys see my screen?
You add your own screens and your own edits to it, so that it will be easier for us later. Maybe if we want to add changes or do stuff, then we should be able to.
Hello?
Okay, I guess you can hear me. Yeah, I can hear you.
You can also be even checking it once in a while to see progress and all.
So I was expecting that would actually be active, like a couple of us, even if we were 2 or 3 active on the project with me, would have made this whole thing better and more interactive. At least go back and like everybody going back to go and try out 1 or 2 designs from the sketches we've made. So far we've designed the wireframe for the home screen. This is just, again, I remember I explained what wireframes are, just the basic structure of how the site is supposed to look like. So this is the web version of the wireframe. We did sign up wireframe and login screen wireframe, and we also have the mobile displays for the 3 of them. So this is how laptop they're supposed to look on mobile. So this is what we've done so far, and I think we need to kind of listing up to catch up.
Not this one. This is not the one we're working on.
1 class already on Wednesday, I think. Yeah, that was Wednesday. So we're going to just continue with building our wireframes. So I'm going to be try to listing up as much as I can. We've already taken up 30 minutes or more set, and I do not want the class to go above 9 p.m. Okay, so I'm going back to the first plan that we made. I think I'm going to pin it just so I don't have to be scrolling anytime I want to find it. So I'm just going to pin the message so it's easy for me anytime. So yeah, from all the screens we displayed here, or I listed out here, we've designed.
So yeah, this is how far we've gone.
Our login screen.
We've created practically almost all of. We've made the wireframe design of almost all of the.
We have other property
desktop screens. So far what we have here is
search screen,
the home screen, sign up,
search result,
login, about, property
search results screen,
then property details.
Yeah. I skipped the about
4, 5, 6.
The about page.
So what is left?
What I said was it didn't seem that necessary to design it, but since we are just going accordingly, I'm just going to quickly design our about page, which is not meant to take us. It's not meant to take us so much time. So okay, I think I pinned. Yeah, I'm just going to select a new field.
I pinned that message.
Desktop.
So I have to start searching for it again.
Let's name this about.
Okay, then I think the only two screens left here are the property search screen
About
and
screen.
search results screen. So
So
first of all, I don't know why I
select
did a separate. I made it
all of
that there
this.
should be a separate screen for search, but we somehow have
this here.
somehow we have our search our
Align,
search bar
yeah.
here on the home
So,
page.
We have this now.
Meaning if someone
Since
just
you are
wants
just
to
doing
search,
reusable content,
if someone wants to
just
search for
copy.
stuff, you just have to go back to the click back on the home page and do their search here. So I think we basically don't need that search
You can
page
just copy
again,
it.
since we already have a page that has
Come and paste it in
search
here.
box. So what we need now is just the search results screen, which will be like the last screen that I'll be creating here.
First of all, we need
The search results screen. So
header kind of.
search results screen basically is the screen that shows once you've searched for a property following a particular criteria. So it's not going to be so much different from the listing,
So
the property
if we
listing
know
screen
how
that we did here.
breadcrumbs mean,
Okay, so the only thing is just my add just a little difference, like
what it means.
things you search
Give us
for,
navigation.
and maybe change a little bit
case
of
we want
what's
to go
here.
back.
So let's just copy.
I'm going to copy this again.
I'm just going to copy this and
So I'm going to align this to the left, then try and copy it to align well with this. I'm going to do the same thing here.
paste this here. Let me edit this to property search results screen.
So I want this
So,
to just take about half
basically this
of the
is
screen.
this is supposed to show us the search result of whatever we searched from the home page. So if someone clicks the search button from here,
More.
clicks the search button from here, it should open
Also
up
increase
our search
this a
our search result screen
bit,
here.
make the
So
line height more a bit.
I'm going to edit this. What did I do here?
So I just have something like this here.
Where did this one come from now? Oh,
Then this is supposed to be like image.
so I'm just going to edit this to search results. Then
Well, this is not really necessary yet. So
just bring
leave
this
it as
one
it
down
is,
a
but
bit.
let's just know that this here is supposed to be an image, text, then
So I copy that
what else? And I want to copy this
and paste it here.
this contact us section. It's here. So first of all, I want to create a section box for it. I'm just going to paste it here. Let me change the color of this thing because they are kind of blending it. Stuff. So this is kind of like the idea of what about page is going to look like. So let me see. I guess we also need to make that design for the mobile. So I'm just going to copy the home screen frame.
So it's not taking so much space, so I'm just going to push this up again.
Basically almost,
So depending on the amount of space it takes,
the same.
then even after the search, you can still filter our search again and still
Kind of
run
thing
our
we are
search
doing.
again. So yeah, basically we have most of the screens that we need. Then the screens that I
So I'm just going to delete
did not include on that list now are like screens for admin page per se. Because if you notice, we have login and sign up here, where you can log in and sign up. So that is like for agents to sign up, then log in, and after they log in, they can view properties, they can create properties, and they can delete properties also. So that is I think we'll just create
also understand how
and we are done
of mobile. So because
to create those screens, and we are done so far for wireframing.
A mobile
We'll now go into our color scheming and
side by side
how to design our prototypes. Although before then, I still want us to like
that above it
take on the mobile version of the screens and try and do them by ourselves. Like let that one be our own tasks. Let that one be our own project. We get.
Just stay somewhere here.
So there are four mobile screens here already. So we should just try and see if we can do the remaining. So here it stopped at the about
size here also.
So after about, you still have the list, property list screen, which Pinky did. Yeah. So I don't know if you can actually copy. Pinky, I don't know if you can hear me, Sha, but if you can actually copy the one you've done,
then that contact us,
like move it to this our project here, then it will be better.
Shift it up.
I don't know, can you with that? Will you be able to do that? Like, can you do that? Do you know how to do it?
Yeah. Oh, let me create.
Can you hear me?
Box for it.
Yes, I can hear you. Hello.
Hello, I can hear you. So I was asking the property list mobile view you designed, if you'll be able to copy it from your own project file to this file. I've given you people access to this file, so you can just copy it. Just select the whole screen, the whole frame, copy it, then come to this place and paste it inside here. Can you do that?
So I can also just change the color.
So at least we have
I don't need this
that property where you did the property listing page. If I can remember, that was what you did.
Yeah, like this to the setup.
That was what you did here, the mobile version. So then what will be left will be the details, property details, property search results. So I don't think you guys were in the class when we designed this. So this is basically just images of the property, just displayed for.
So this is basically supposed to serve
just displayed for our users.
About screen.
So this is like gallery that will be sliding for users when they come on. Okay, so as I was saying, the other screens we'll have to design will be,
other screen will be
let me just list them out here. One, create property.
Yeah, so we need the property list screen, which is basically where we list out all of the properties that we need to be listed out, for customers per se. So create another frame for that. Let's be a desktop frame.
Edit property. Sorry for my screen lagging. It has been on for days. Not turned it off.
Copy this. So now how this screen is supposed to look.
Okay, so let me send this out.
Okay.
So far, are there any questions? Nello, welcome.
I don't know if I made a design.
I saw your message. Said I was going to reply, but I slipped my mind. I've been so busy.
Okay, so I think this is what I.
So welcome, Sha. I don't know the last part you stopped, but I would say
so. I think what I
you can just first of all, I shared the Figma. See the Figma file that we are working with now, where all of our designs are presently. So you can go through this Figma file and see what we've done so far. You are all free to make adjustments to it and additions to it. And what else? You can also go through our previous videos to see what or how we did them or what we've discussed so far. So basically now the idea or what is left for us is to design the remaining wireframe screens. Then immediately after designing our wireframe screens, then we'll go into prototyping. Yeah, so hopefully by next week we should be starting our prototyping design of this project. So I want to assume that this week we should be able to complete the mobile screens and the remaining 3 desktop screens that I just brought up here. So I don't know if it's something that we can do, like the mobile screen part. Like it should be our task. We can just try that out by ourselves. Is that something we can do? No problem. So it will be easier for us, you get, if we all just do 1 or 2 things, then we'll review, all of us will review the designs together and know how to go from there. So aside that, if there are any I don't know if there are any questions at all from what we've done so far, or what we are going to do, or what we are supposed to do, or if you just have any random questions, then you can also ask. If there are none, I guess I'll just continue with
I can move all of them now.
what I'm doing here. Okay, so we have
here.
create property,
have the list of all
edit
of our
property,
So since we
and
designed
delete
something like that
property.
we're going to copy this.
So that should be after the user have logged in. So it should be a logged in user that should be able to do all of those crude.
But then the idea
crude,
here was for it
crude
to
operation.
show, in one.
So let me just find a way to demarcate this.
First of all, let me reduce the line height here. It's too much. Reduce the font size also. Increase this to see what I'm doing here. So this can go up. Fill out the space.
I know that's too small, so I'm going
there should be space for this too.
A bit. Let me make this wide.
Let me try and create space for this too. Okay, so I want to have a button here. Although the button is not so necessary, so I wanted to create like a button for views, just in case
To demarcate that, let me group this.
So it's supposed to be a filter.
Copy all of this and paste. Yeah, I guess I'd not group it well. Text is not inside.
Reduce this to 20. 5. That should work. Then copy, paste.
Okay, so let me just copy that.
Copy, paste. Okay. Let's have like our button for the filter. Just going to need 10. So I'll say this should be like lists, the list of
So this here should not be
properties that we have.
login and sign up.
So
again.
there should now be another screen called the properties details screen, where just click on the property and it shows up, opens up the detail this thing screen for that property, or shows us all of the details for that property, which I think is what I did here. Gives us a full breakdown of what that particular property is about. So I think we just need to finish up this wireframe and go back to finish up the wireframe and go back to our main design. I hope my screen is okay. It is. Okay, so now is to design the property details screen. Select desktop.
Still, I don't know why it's not
Property
aligning
details.
well.
Let me see what I did here. So kind of like the property title, the description, then the images. So it's supposed to be able to see like images of the property you're trying to buy. Then by the side be like contact information for the person you can contact for it. So let me select this. Okay.
So
Yeah,
this will be like user dashboard, then for in case the user wants to log out. So no, it's not really like there'll be much
Sorry,
to
let
do
me
here.
see what I did here. Okay. Let me copy
down a bit. This filter is not also necessary here again.
And align it here. Let me see.
Filter here is also not necessary. So we
hotels,
don't have
okay,
enough
yeah.
room to
Property title meant to
expand.
stay somewhere around here. So let me just copy one of our title text.
Expand this.
Paste it here. So let me just. I think that is okay. Shall see. Title, then
let me just add
description of the property.
our
copy this.
both buttons here.
And paste
Let me zoom
here.
in.
This will be like description of the property. Then we can now have our image here. So let me just select something else. Have our image here. Then complete details of what the property is supposed to be about. So let me just copy this. This is supposed to be like contact agent. Let's see here. So you'll have like the agent's name, phone number, and all of those things. So let me see.
I'm just going to group this.
Property image here, then edit details about property, something like copy this. Have address,
So copy both and paste them inside here. I think I'll make it to just stay above here instead. Anyhow, it all depends on how and where you want to put it.
Other information. Just put this.
Okay, I think this one stayed well.
So I added auto layout to this text now, so that I'll be able to expand it like that. So just going to reduce this. Sorry, make it so this is not even supposed to take this long, this length. title, you can call it title. So I'm just going to group both of them so that we can use group selection, copy, paste.
Okay.
Copy, paste.
Well, basically we just need simple designs and all. So now I'm going to create a very simple screen for our delete. So I'm just going to select this, copy it, paste
I'm
here.
trying to make it that line.
I think this is where I would
To
stop for tonight. So the idea is once someone clicks this delete, the whole of this page, there's meant to be a pop-up.
Okay, so
I'm going to
copy this
draw.
and paste it again and bring it down.
Oh, sorry.
So we can have as many information as
I'm going to draw a kind of like a rectangle all around this.
Here.
So this
so
is
we can have
one
as many information as
with normal UI
provided,
concept,
like additional information you want to add to it, like 24 hours light, furnished, all those extra.
So I'll just now change the opacity
agent contact
of this. You understand what I'm trying to do?
So what else? We can just to make things more finer. So this is just me
now have my delete modal
coming up with
here
a new concept of the spot. So I feel like having a gallery here makes sense. So we can just put this here, copy, paste. First of all, to make this lighter, so this would be like a gallery of all.
Trying to make this white or lighter,
like the gallery of all of the images. Align this at the center. To make this white also.
I'm gonna align this to the center so that I'll be able to place this well.
Sorry, I don't know if you guys know what I'm trying to do here, Sha. Kind of like trying to make an arrow.
Okay.
I think this should work. Copy, paste, and just take this here. So this should be facing the other way.
So I need to bring this to the front so that those other stuff will not be showing. Then this text.
Okay, so this should serve like as a gallery per se. So let me just
so this is better now.
group all of this. I can bring it down.
Copy that.
Copy,
Paste it inside here.
edit this to all property. can name it property gallery. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm not paying attention to how our footer is supposed to look yet. It's just basic structure for now. So this is the idea.
I just want to
so far for our properties details page.
here.
So at least we've been able to create 3 screens today, 1, 2 and 3, even though we are not able to create the mobile version. So I don't know if any of us present will be able to, but I would like us to on our own try and see if we can like create the mobile version of these screens that we've done today. So I think I've already done the mobile screen for this about. Then left for this property list screen and property detail screen. So look at it, then imagine or like try and imagine how you can fit in all of this information in a mobile screen, having in mind that they cannot look exactly like this on mobile because the size it cannot contain. So I would like us to like see if we can do a mobile wire.
So I think this is supposed to be bigger.
Design, then we'll see what we're able to do by Monday when we'll be having our next session. So the link I provided the link of the group. I will still share it again just in case, the link of this project, so you can click the link, go in and edit or add your own work anytime. So I think this is all we have time for today. It's already past 9. Does anybody have any questions? Are there any confusion, suggestion, or anything at all? Anybody?
Yeah. Not from.
Okay. As you can see, we see the advantage of this photo layout. Basically, just helps us to automatically lay out our stuff. So that's the idea behind it. So the thing is, once you click delete, it brings up this prompt and says, "Do you want to?"
Alright then, no problem.
Do you want to delete? So if you click delete,
I think that's all for today. Please,
the idea is that it deletes the particular property.
We can,
particular property that you put there.
Design on our own mobile part. So thank you guys for being present today, and I'll see you guys in our next
one more screen from the new ones I just brought out. Let me edit this. So one more screen from the ones that I brought out is the edit property. So in our next, that will be the last screen. So I'm just going to push it to our next class, which is on Wednesday. Then we'll design that screen. We'll talk about the mobile screens. Hopefully you guys come up with a few designs for the mobile, and at least I've already done some. Pinky, you can add the one you've done and try and see if you can create or convert the screens we have here in desktop to mobile. Make sure you make every component, find where and put every component inside the mobile version of the screens. So so that is it for me today. Any question? Are there any questions? Any question? Okay. So apparently that is a no. That is a no question. So thank you guys for coming. I'm going to upload today's class. I'm going to upload today's class on YouTube. You can go there. To check it out, and so that I can follow up with what we've done or what we are doing. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.